first one here? No way. How?
Were you purposely
I'm literally late. Yes, I'm late on purpose.
I'm telling you, Russell.
Hey. Oh my god.
We can just like touch chest. Like, hello, Russell. Good to see you.
I should have just played another league game. I knew I should have.
Everyone's watching the stream to see who will be first.
That's crazy.
Russell, I'm telling you, nowadays, it's always the same. People do not respect punctuality anymore.
Yes.
Right?
True.
Yeah.
Says the guy with a 30-minute intro.
Yeah, but I'm live at the time that I'm saying that I'm going to be live.
I guess.
That's why I also don't have a schedule. Also, now you make me look like a jackass for like having food.
You have to try it before somebody else does.
And he did.
Wow. That's kind of fucked up that he could let someone else try it.
Like, he only tried it because you tried it.
No, but it's... Oh, what do you think?
It's really good.
Why are you being weird about it?
No, I'm feeling it.
That's really good. I like that.
I wish chat could see my face. Also, it's hot in here.
It is hot.
You know you have an AC unit right here?
Yeah, but is it off?
No.
No.
I mean, it's at the 70.
What? That's way too hot.
Which 70
Wait,
upstairs
70 is like...
But it gets hot upstairs because heat rises.
Yeah.
Oh, 70? Well, I was going to say 70's hot.
Yeah.
It's I like... If I am home alone, I swear to God, I'll put the AC down to 67.
I'm telling you.
Sleep at.
Fuck yeah, I respect that.
No, I like that. That's my temperature.
Yeah, I like that.
By the way, somebody asked, is that Emily's best friend? Question mark.
Yeah, I guess I'm Emily's best friend, chat. No big deal.
That's
I'm
right.
more of her therapist, honestly.
Her therapist?
Yeah.
Are you giving good advice?
She says it's good advice. I've gotten, like, in the last 2 weeks, I think I've had, like, 3 or 4 people say that I am a very level-headed individual. In the last, yeah. Finn, Emily, my friend Leah, and someone else. I don't remember who the 4th one was. And I'm starting to think, man, you know what I was going to do before being a streamer? I was going to go to school for psychology. So why don't I just quit streaming and go to school to be a psychologist and become a therapist? Boom.
Okay, fan.
Is that what she's doing?
I'm pretty sure that's what she once said she wanted to do.
Wait, really?
I'm not even joking.
I mean, that was like what I was gonna do before streaming, and then I was having a conversation with a close friend of mine. It was like, yeah, man, you're probably not gonna make any money doing that, at least not for a really long time. And I was like, man, you might be right.
Oh my god, you're gonna put yourself in debt.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah.
We hate that.
What was that cheesy thing?
I don't know what it is. I think Julia just went downstairs to bring you something.
Maybe.
So I look like an asshole again.
No, it's okay. I don't want the brownie. The brownie's...
Something about it looks off, huh?
No, it's not even that. I'm just not really a sweets guy.
Oh,
I love savory food. I hate sweets. Unless it's like soda. Soda is like the only sweet where I'm like, oh, like it's like addicting. But like when it comes like chocolate or candy, I don't really care for that shit. Dude, I am late on purpose.
I know.
I can't believe this.
Bro, this day, I'm telling you, this day is so cursed. I woke up to a missed call from Sia. Then I open my phone. The first thing I see is Nick's tweet. That he has like a lot of motion again.
Yeah.
Which sucks.
Yeah, he has a lot of motion right now.
Then Emily going viral again.
Yeah.
So viral that Twitch feels forced to act.
Yeah.
And they don't even act at some point or like do anything. They're just like, you know what? Emily, you are banned for 24 hours or whatever the amount is. You know what? You're just banned for Secret Hitler. I'm like, bro.
Yep, basically.
Bro.
Yeah, it's unlucky. Unlucky.
Wow. That's scary.
That happens though.
Yeah.
Dude, I can invite my good buddy Soda Poppin'. Real close with him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, super close with him.
Sure, call him.
I think if I called him right now, he'd probably tell me to kill myself.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We hear that every day.
Yeah.
You play League.
That's true. I did just play League.
Did you win?
Well, so I queued a ranked match, and then I left the ranked match, actually, because I was like, wait, I'm not going to have enough time. So I left in the champ select, which equals a loss.
Uh-oh.
Emily should pay Russell an affordable $185K to be cameraman and driver.
Dude, she does need a driver, honestly. Holy fuck.
I mean, it is really hard as a solo IRL streamer to not get hate.
Yeah.
It is
for
really
sure.
hard.
Yeah.
Because, like, these things happen inevitably all the time.
Yeah. I mean, like, here's the thing, though. I'm just going to say it. I am not, myself, a distracted driver. I never look at my phone. Ever.
Same.
Ever. I
Same.
never do it. Like, it's just one of those things where it's like, you know, she probably needs a driver. Or, because, like, she's already got a debuff. She's already got a debuff, you have to understand. She has 2 debuffs. Do you know what those 2 debuffs are?
What's the other one?
The other one? Well, she isn't like you and I.
Oh my god. Is it because... Okay.
Exactly. So then she's throwing another debuff on top of herself by being distracted. You know? Like, maybe someone else, maybe you and I would be able to be distracted because we don't have the debuffs.
Okay.
But she's got the debuffs. So it's like, it's like way worse.
Mm.
And she drives a Tesla. That's another debuff. So that's 4.
I mean, the Tesla would be a buff if she always had auto drive on.
Yeah. But I feel like I know so many Tesla drivers that become worse drivers because they always use auto drive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing with the Tesla with the auto stop.
Mm-hmm.
So when you drive any other car,
yeah,
you
exactly.
you just don't brake.
Yeah.
I think even Nick said it. Because I think the Hummer EV has the same thing.
Regenerative braking, yeah.
Where it has regenerative braking.
Yeah.
So when he steps into his like GTR, he's driving mega fast.
Mm-hmm.
He thinks as soon as he stops giving gas, the car slows down. No, motherfucker. It still goes like 150 miles an hour if you drive that fast.
Yep.
It's insane.
Exactly. And for me, I'm like a super aggressive driver. So like I'm like always like I'm you know, I'm like always like switching lanes, whatever, like trying to do shit. So it's hard for me to even be distracted while driving, you know?
Ooh. No, but one thing I've never seen Americans do is this one. When they switch lanes, make a turn.
Oh, I do that all the time, checking the blind spots. Yeah. Every turn I make is blind spot.
In America, for some reason, it's like, I do have a turning light. Or blinker. What do you call it?
Blinker.
Mm-hmm. Should I use it? Nah.
Yeah, that happens all the time.
I do have a mirror. Let me look after I'm turning. Yep. And I'm telling you, the amount of people that do that is crazy. And that's also how people be driving, like this. One hand like this.
Yeah.
And the other hand, kind of, they're just touching the steering wheel.
Yeah. I was just mimicking your motion that you were doing.